Hi. So, looking at example number one. So, example number one, we're starting off with some distribution, and I'm going to show you how it kind of works backwards there. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, so if I were to go ahead and start by distributing that 3 on the outside of the parentheses to both the 2x and the plus 5, that would leave me with 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times 5 is a positive 15. So if I am looking to factor this or go backwards there, I would be thinking about what what factors 6 and 15 have in common. Obviously, every single number has 1 as a factor, so we don't really ever want to use 1 because that's not going to do anything. 2 is a factor of 6, but 2 doesn't go into 15. 3 is a factor of 6, and 3 also goes into 15. So 3 is that GCF. And so this is what we're going to end up doing. When we distributed, we used multiplication. We multiplied the 3 times the 2x. We multiplied the 3 times the 5. So to go backwards and factor that, we're going to divide the 3. Nope, we're going to divide both of the pieces we have by 3, by that GCF. So it's like I'm taking 6x, and actually let me switch colors real quick. That was a bad 6, it's fine. Now let's redo it, that's fine. Okay, perfectionist here. So my GCF of 3, oops, is what I'm going to divide each piece by. 6 divided by 3 is 2, carry down my x. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And now this is the important piece here. You need to, because this 2x plus 5 is not equal to 6x plus 15. Those two things are not the same. They're not equal. So in order to keep them equal, to keep them equivalent, my GCF needs to stay on the outside. So we're going to make a quick note of that because it's super duper important. We want to keep the GCF on the outside of the parentheses. That 3 is my GCF, and when we're writing it, it needs to stay on the outside of those parentheses there. Okay, so that is our example number 1, and we'll take a look at example 2 in a minute.